I'm going.
Roger. Push my cat off. Don't worry, you can always find you one. Bloodly's gonna be on the cap. I haven't flown in this game for like 10 weeks, so we're a little steep.
Better than me. I haven't flown in like a month. That's true, yeah. Why do you think I haven't been doing it as much?
My cat is causing my throttle hand to lose tracking.
No worries.
2 steps ahead of you.
Just do single file.
Can I go past you?
I'm pushing burner, so that's a no.
Altitude. Altitude. Altitude.
Up and over the top.
Altitude.
Roger. Roger. Convoy is...
Bombs away, bombs away.
Altitude.
Convoy hit. Rolling in on that objective. Never mind, evading AA.
Bombs away, times 4. Big way.
Good job. Engage them, engage them.
215.
No worries. Being spiked by 26. Impact, good impact.
Man, that was scary.
Bombs away, bombs away.
Copy.
Fox 1, close range.
Oh, this guy's smart. He went into the cloud.
I think I see him. Got him.
05.
Holy.
Guns.
05 bullseye or
Splash bandit. They totally just stole someone's kill.
Good kill.
Sundance 1-2, I'm on my way. I see you. I'm turning on him. Keep that turn up. Oh, he's still up. He's too close for missiles. Switching to guns. Alright, roll inverted. Pull down now. Guns. Fox 2.
no, that's
Holy shit, he just tanked that.
Oh shit, he's guns on me.
Got him.
Fox 1.
He's off your ass.
Good shit. Yeah, he spiked me last second. Splash fighter. 22 miles to the west, to the east. Distance.
Eagle, Marshall, Sundance flight diverting to tanker.
Understood, Sundance flight. Just go ahead and contact them on 2775, I think it is. Correction, 2755.
right wing when done. Chat, clear over D. Over 3,
Watch the hell out. Hold that position. Nah. Yeah, maybe.
No.
What'd you feel to?
Like 2. Alright.
That's good enough.
I'm behind you, I'll pass underneath you, and we are just gonna dive straight down, okay? I'll pass in front of you, just follow me, okay?
Roger.
Dive in now.
Roger.
Leveling out.
Oh, we're passing 9.
Yeah.
And Sundance 1-1.
Sundance 1-1. Tyro ball 1.6.
Driver ball from the ball. On glide. On glide. Hold it there. Sink it a little bit.
Over T.
3 wire.
All right, group punch out on
in
3.
3,
1,
2,
2.
1, go!
We go.
That was pretty well synced.
Not bad, not bad.
Damn, I was like right on the edge, like right next to the elephant. Oh yeah, I forgot the carriers. That's why.